Welcome! Today we are making a quick fresh salsa dip. It's perfect for dipping or as a fresh topping. Ready to cook? Let's get started. Let's go through the ingredients for our salsa dip. First we have 4 medium tomatoes, diced into small, even pieces. They add freshness and juiciness. Next we'll use 1 small onion finely chopped to give a bit of sharpness. For some heat, we add 1 jalapeno pepper, seeds removed and finely chopped. Adjust based on how spicy you like it. 2 cloves of garlic minced will provide a nice aromatic kick. Add about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro chopped for a burst of herbal flavor. We'll need 1 tablespoon of lime juice, which is roughly the juice of 1 lime, to add a tangy brightness. Finally, season with 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin for a warm earthy note and salt and pepper to taste. Let's start preparing our vegetables. Begin with the tomatoes. Dice them into small uniform pieces to ensure they mix evenly. Next, finely chop the onions so it blends smoothly with the tomatoes. For the jalapeno, remove the seeds if you want a milder salsa. If you prefer more heat, you can leave some seeds in. Chop the jalapeno finely to distribute the spice throughout. Lastly, mince the garlic as finely as you can. This will help spread its flavor evenly in the salsa. Now, let's combine our ingredients. Take a medium bowl and add in the diced tomatoes, chopped onion, chopped jalapeno, and minced garlic. Give them a good mix. Next, add the chopped cilantro and pour in the lime juice. Stir everything together until well combined. Now it's time to season our salsa. Sprinkle in the ground cumin and then add salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure the seasoning is evenly distributed. After mixing, taste the salsa and see if it needs any adjustments. You might want to add a bit more salt, pepper, or even a touch more lime juice to suit your taste. To finish up, let the salsa chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This gives the flavors time to melt and enhances the taste. Once it's chilled, it's ready to serve. Enjoy it with tortilla chips for a classic snack, or use it as a tasty topping for tacos, burritos, or grilled meats. And lastly, here are some tips for perfect salsa. First, use ripe, flavorful tomatoes. Roma tomatoes are great due to their lower moisture content, but any ripe tomato works. For a milder salsa, remove all seeds and membranes from the jalapeno. If you like it hotter, leave some seeds in or add an extra jalapeno. If you prefer a smoother salsa, pulse the ingredients in a food processor, but avoid overprocessing if you like it chunkier. Use fresh lime juice instead of bottled for the best flavor. If cilantro isn't your thing, substitute fresh parsley for a different herbal twist. Enjoy your homemade salsa dip.